Hello and welcome to the Glad Possible YouTube channel. Today, which is the 24th of February 2024, marks the 2-year anniversary of when the war between Ukraine and Russia began. For those of you who have a little bit of an idea or no idea at all as to why this war is taking place, we at Glad Possible have already made this video which marked the 1-year anniversary of the Russia-Ukraine war, and you will be able to watch it on our Glad Possible YouTube channel. For the ones who already know about it, do understand the implications of such a war all over the world and not just on two countries which are in a state of war. But no, guys, that is not something that we are going to take up today. The articles that I've picked out are from polity, society, technology, and how it is intertwined and how it relates to one another. So without wasting any more time, let's start off with the very first one. This is to do with this Google's AI chatbot called Gemini AI. So it has, it has been said that it has violated India's IT laws, and Google has also responded saying that we'll do something about it. The incident was that our Prime Minister, it is related to our Prime Minister. So, there was a question that was asked saying, is Modi a fascist? A fascist is somebody who is an authoritarian, who is borderline a dictator, right? And the response of this chatbot was Mr. Modi has been accused of implementing policies that some experts have characterized as fascist. Which sort of law or section does it go against? This is against Rule 3, Clause 1, Subclause B of the IT Rules of 2021. Do not have to learn the section number. Just keep in mind this is the Information Technology Rules of 2021. So the Minister of State for Electronics, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, basically said that, this is Google has a responsibility to not let this happen because, of course, constructive criticism is one thing and downright degrading a head of the government is quite another, right? So the implications will be that, as and when artificial intelligence is sort of taking over our entire system, we need to make very, very stringent laws to avoid such things and things such as deep fake and so on and so forth. So this is another negative implication of using artificial intelligence. In fact, if you end up asking such questions to ChatGPT, I've done that just because I wanted to, like a social experiment. The ChatGPT sort of says that, I'm not supposed to answer this question because it will hurt the sentiments of, let's say, a caste, a religion, or so on and so forth. Such kind of sensitization, even in technology, is very much required. So let's go on to the next one. This is to do with the payload of Aditya L1 mission. Firstly, what is the Aditya L1 mission? Everyone is aware of this. This is our flyby mission to the sun, right? What does L stand for? L stands for Lagrange point. Lagrange point is such a point between, two celestial bodies where the gravitational force of both those celestial bodies sort of nullifies. And so hence the satellite or any kind of whatever we send over here sort of remains stable, right? So the Lagrange point that we've used for our Aditya mission is L1. So now what has happened is there's a payload called PAPA, Plasma Analyzer Package for Aditya. Nothing else is important for Clatanail apart from the fact that, full form. Full form आपसे पूछा जा सकता है क्यों? क्योंकि पेलोड न्यूज में है. पेलोड न्यूज में क्यों है? क्योंकि जिस वजह से भेजा है वो काम उसने कर दिया है. It's as simple as that, right? So what has it done? It has basically detected the impact of coronal mass ejections and enhancing understanding of solar wind dynamics. So solar wind dynamics को पढ़ने के लिए इसको भेजा था. इसने पढ़ लिया. ये सक्सेसफुल रहा. इसने बहुत बढ़िया significant observations भेजी हैं. That's all that you have to know with respect to this one, right? Okay, let's go ahead. The next one is with respect to the Uniform Civil Code in Assam. So very recently, everybody has read about it that the Uniform Civil Code has been applied in Uttarakhand. Now, if I talk about the headlines, they sort of say that, it is for the first time that in India, a state has passed a bill to apply UCC. That is correct. It is also correct that Goa, already follows UCC. So, if Goa follows UCC, then why are you saying the first state to pass a bill? Because it's just exactly that, right? Goa was following the yesteryears kind of customs that they had, which were secular in nature, and so hence they have adopted Uniform Civil Code. Uttarakhand, on the other hand, has adopted it through a bill. Now, why is this important is because of the fact that, almost a fortnight after Uttarakhand sort of passed a bill to apply Uniform Civil Code, Assam has sort of said that we have decided to repeal the Assam Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act of 1935. ये इन्होंने क्यों किया? ये कहते क्योंकि हमें अलाइन करना है अपने सारे गोल्स किसके साथ? आर्टिकल 44 के साथ. आर्टिकल 44 क्या है? यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. सिंपल एज दैट, राइट? एंड दे सेड कि क्योंकि क्या है कि ये असम मुस्लिम मैरिज एंड डाइवोर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ 1935 की जो पर्सनल लॉज हैं, इसमें चाइल्ड मैरिज भी प्रमोट हो रही है, उसकी रजिस्ट्रेशन लीगलाइज हो रही है, एंड वी डोंट वांट टू डू दैट, एंड सो वी वांट टू इरेडिकेट द ईविल ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज, एंड कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन. Maybe later on we read about it कि क्या पता पूरा का पूरा यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड ही अप्लाई हो जाए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ असम में. We do not know whether that will happen or it won't, but as of now this is what has been mentioned. Apart from that, so which year का act has been repealed? 1935, right? Which article are they talking about? Article 44. And well, legal age limit set for kids तो नहीं, legal age set for majors to get married. So male is 21 years and female is 18 years. Kids की बात नहीं कर रहे, kids की शादी को ही खत्म करने के लिए ये चीज किया है, right? Anyway, so this is the next one, UCC. Let's talk about a new one. So okay, now this is also interesting. What has happened is इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट ड्रोन पायलट ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ड्रोन चलाने वाले जो पायलट है उनकी जो ट्रेनिंग है वो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होगी, राइट? और ये लॉन्च किसने किया है? IIT गुवाहाटी ने किया है. सिंपल एज दैट. इट्स अ वन लाइनर. वन लाइनर में अगर ड्रोन के और इनिशिएटिव्स पूछने लग गए तो क्लैट एक पैसेज भी बना सकता है. So collaboration किसकी है? This is IIT Guwahati, right? With another organization called EduRaid, right? EduRaid, ये आपने learn करना है. And what is the name of this particular pilot training organization? It's called Remote Pilot Training Organization, which is an initiative of IIT Guwahati, right? Vision क्या है? इंडिया को लीडर बनाना है, ग्लोबल ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी का लीडर बनाना है. That is the vision. All right, very very simple. Let's go ahead. Now this is NTPC का Renewable Energy Limited, right? So what have they done? इन्होंने अपना सबसे पहला सोलर प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया है. कौन से राज्य में? राजस्थान में. बस केवल इतना. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना मेगावाट ये जनरेट कर सकता है और राजस्थान में कहाँ पे ये इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है? इसका सिग्निफिकेंस बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है. I have said it plenty of times. I'll say it again for the benefit of everyone. UNFCCC, right? United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. There was a COP, that the name of that COP, Conference of Party 26, which happened at Glasgow. Glasgow is in Scotland, wherein we as a country adopted something known as the Panch Amrit. Panch Amrit are basically these 5 principles that we will follow. What will we do? Net zero carbon emissions by 2070. Right? We have said that the share of our renewables, मतलब जितनी भी हम एनर्जी यूज कर रहे हैं उसमें हमारे शेयर renewables के कितने होने चाहिए? 50% by 2030. फिर हम लोगों ने तीसरी चीज बोली है कि जो हमारी emission intensity है, वो हम कम करेंगे. We will reduce it by 45%. एमिशन इंटेंसिटी इन द सेंस ग्रे हाइड्रोजन से ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन तक नहीं पहुंच सकते तो ब्लू हाइड्रोजन यूज कर लेंगे. एमिशन की इंटेंसिटी तो कम होगी, राइट? वी ऑल्सो सेड that we will generate 500 gigawatt of renewable energy. We will reduce 1 billion ton reduction of 1 billion ton of CO2. So to that effect, this is also another initiative, the solar project. लॉन्च कहाँ किसने किया? NTPC और रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी लिमिटेड. लोकेशन क्या है? छत्तीसगढ़ इन राजस्थान. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कितना कैपेसिटी है? 70 मेगावाट. ठीक है. एंड सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? इंडिया के ग्रीन एनर्जी गोल्स तक हम पहुंच पाएंगे. As simple as that, right? So this is also another, it can be a part of a passage also, it can be a one liner also. We've done both, Right, so that is that from my end for today, and I will see you more. I will see you with more current affairs in the next video. Thank you very much.